Chapter 7 Bankruptcy Basics. Chapter 7 bankruptcy wipes out or discharges almost all unsecured non-priority debts, including credit card debt, medical bills, personal loans, many lawsuit and judgments, including income taxes that are over 3 years old, and past due utility bills. Not all debts are wiped out, however. For instance, the following are not dischargeable: secured debt, a mortgage, or a car payment. Priority unsecured debt includes most income taxes, family support payments, and penalties owed to the government, along with student loans. To find out more about the debt that survives bankruptcy, call us today at 877-541-9307 for your free consultation. We are available 24/7 for the bankruptcy help you need. Call one of our friendly bankruptcy attorneys today.